Hi friends, Dr. Ramadevi Papolu here, fertility specialist. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the treatment for PCOD, both in unmarried and married. When we take the unmarried people, we have to first regularize the period because there will be unopposed estrogen, which is going to be a precancerous condition in the future. So we have to make the periods regular. To get the periods regular, one lifestyle changes is very important, that we have to, if the person is overweight, the girl has to do exercise and as well as the diet, healthy diet. So other than this, we should not adopt any other methods like putting the heat to the abdomen in the different centers, because that heat can damage the ovaries and internal organs. So please don't go for such treatments. The natural method is only no shortcuts. So follow the exercise and do proper diet. So it is not, diet means not fasting. You can eat food, but healthy food. Especially many people, to regularize the periods, they give pills. Pills in the long run will have effect on the ovary. Ovary can be suppressed. So I prefer to regularize the periods every month from 25th day to 30th day, 5 days. If progesterone we give, they will get the periods regularly. Or because estrogen is the hyperestrogenism is more problem in these patients, we can even give 10 days. Only for withdrawal, if we give 5 days, that is enough. But if we want to oppose the estrogen, then we have to give progesterone 10 days from 16th day to 25th day. So with this, the estrogen is countered, and as well as the person will get the periods. So instead of giving pills, I prefer this line of treatment. Suppose weight reduction, if it is not possible, any cost, and morbidly obese, then they have to go for the other surgical methods like liposuction or bariatric surgery and all those things, but that is last resort. And if a person has got hirsutism, then anti-androgens, especially spironolactone, can be given. Spironolactone we have to give for longer time, and mainly if there is a hair on the lip or on the beard, the laser is the best, because they will be very depressed if there is a hair, abnormal hair on their body. So to get a fast results, because spironolactone and all, we have to give very long period, 6 months to 1 year. So laser shortcut is the laser treatment for the hair removal. And periodically we have to check about the glucose tolerance, and any insulin hyperinsulinemia is there, and check for the hypertension, diabetes, all hormones like FSH, LH, estrogen, progesterone, and DHEA and testosterone, and we have to bring all the hormones to normal level by treatment. Coming to the infertile patients, most of the people know about that. We all, after regularizing and bringing all the hormones under control, we start induction of ovulation. That is, we give medicines to ovulate, and naturally either they can conceive naturally if no other problem, male problem, tubal problem is not there. If any of those problems are there, we have to add IUI and IVF, and if necessary in those patients where male problem is severe, we have to adopt the ICSI procedure. So conceiving with treatment in PCOD is not difficult. So whoever has got this problem, please don't get disappointed, and treatments are very beautiful. Successful treatments are available. So you can be healthy, you can have a normal baby, and you can even prevent the problems like hyperestrogen in the long run, the precancerous condition, and cardiovascular diseases, hypertension, diabetes. All these things are preventable, provided if you approach the doctor in a proper time, correct time, and follow the treatment and follow the lifestyle and the diet. So you have any doubts, please keep in the comment section, we will respond. Thank you.